Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, today I'm going to show you how to draw a peacock, and this has been requested by Diana L. Gonsalves. Says, I was looking for an easy drawing of a peacock for my daughter's project. Of course it's not going to be easy, but I've tried to make it as easy as possible. And the Draw Stuff Real Easy way is to draw it in with pencil, then ink it in, and then erase the pencil when all the ink is dry, and then finish off with all the fiddly bits afterwards. So let's not talk about it, let's do it. So you want kind of the ground down about there, and then we're going to have sort of the body there, which is sort of comes up from a circle. We're going to want these two curves coming up to the head, which is going to be a circle with a little triangle to the side of it. And then we have a kind of a halo around it. So we get this kind of egg shape like that. And then we're going to want to have this great big peacock shape like that, and we're going to want the legs sort of coming down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I think we need a little bit more around there. Then we are going to need to plan where all these eyes are going to go. So the feathers have all these eye shapes, don't they? Kind of like that. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So try and keep this equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'll have some small ones sort of coming around like that, and keep them equal. 3 there, 3 there. Then we'll have 1 and 2. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm also going to very lightly, and do draw very lightly, because if you press too hard you won't be able to erase these pencil marks later. So then we can kind of put these bigger ones in, kind of like the gaps in between there. And then again here we can put them kind of in between the gaps like that, and again there as we kind of go out and around. Where are we there? We want kind of one there, don't we? Did I? Oh, I don't know. And I think you can just kind of if you get confused, just sort of fill them in where it looks like you need one. About there, I think. So that when you sort of stand back it kind of looks balanced. Good. And now I'm going to start drawing in ink, and I'm going to draw the head, so that's going to be a circle, and then the beak, and we can maybe do something like that, and we want to draw around it like that. So I'm going to be drawing black where it's going to be really, really blue, in fact, and we want an eye around about there. And what I'm going to do is put this little crown on top, so I only want to do about 4, and then we want that kind of little crown of feathers on the top. Now here we're going to do that curve coming down there, and the curve coming down there, and then that wants to sort of come around like that. And then I'm going to fill that in with black as well, and I'm using a brush pen just to speed that process up. And you don't need a brush pen, you can just do lots of scribbling, or you could colour it in blue if you like. Now let's do the legs. So we've got these kind of knees coming down there, and then the legs, and then we want to kind of do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 little claws going like that, and we can maybe put some little lines in there. Now the peacock has this kind of sort of shell, shimmering shell of feathers, so you need to do this. It's I don't know what we call it. So anyway, it's all, the whole thing is about display, isn't it? So so this is an incredible kind of shimmering green, metallic green kind of colour if you're going to be colouring it in, and we can take that up there like that, and so that's kind of the top of its back as it's holding it up, and then all these big feathers will be coming out from there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to zip through and speed through drawing these, and they really want to be, actually they want to be a kind of an egg shape, which is quite difficult. So it wants to be sort of broader there and pointing out, so broader that side and then pointing out a bit like an egg. and I'm just going to do all the others now. And I should point out that also, you know, they should be kind of pointing so that the kind of pointy part of the egg is following along these lines. So this will be the broad part, and it's kind of pointing out that way. And also the pencils things there are just a guide. So if you think, oh, that's not quite right, you can always, you know, change it like there. I kind of feel I need another one there and maybe another one there. So it's just a guide for when you start putting the ink in. And you're just going to do what kind of feels right, really. Hey, while I'm doing this, can I ask you to click that subscribe button down there on the right hand side and subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy. And that kind of helps this channel and helps me to just keep making more videos every week. And I am actually feeling that I need more up there as well. So I'm going to add those in, and then I might have to kind of refocus the camera to fit them in at some point. Now the next part is then you need to draw kind of inside them like that, and in fact you want to draw another one there, and then this kind of, it's like an eyeball, it's like kind of a Pac-Man. So I'm just going to go off and do that now and speed my way through this like that. So we need a circle and then this kind of eye. So we need a line on the inside, a circle, and then this kind of little eyeball thing. So I tell you what I'm going to do is my next video will be how to draw a peacock feather. So that will help, and it's not going to help immediately, but when I've done it I will put the link up here. And you know, I went a bit wobbly there because my hand is getting tired, and don't worry about things like that, because when you're doing so many things in a great big thing like this, one little mistake in the middle of it all, you're not going to notice. Well, you might notice, but no one else is going to notice, so really don't worry about that kind of thing. Okay, what I'm now going to do is to kind of put the stalks of the feathers in and get this kind of angle. So I'm not going to draw them all the way down, just a kind of a feeling of them being there. So these are the stalks, quill. That's the word, of course, isn't it? The quill part of the feather. And although they're you know, very unlike other birds' feathers, they still are feathers. They're just kind of in a different kind of way. Now when you are sure the ink is dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines, because you didn't press too hard, did you? So they'll be easy to get rid of. I smudged a bit of ink there, I think. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do a little bit of kind of grass or something for this peacock to stand on, like that, and maybe I'm going to have a bit of shadow in here as well. Just sort of coming down there. Now this is another stage where it's just going to drive you mad. So what you need to do is to kind of start on the top, and then you're going to come around like that on each one, and then you want them going sideways like that. Okay, so start at the top, one straight down, and then sort of straight down, and then you need to sort of curve in like that, and then sort of keep going around. So this is now then curving in around like that, and we're going to do the same here. So again, I'm just going to zip through this because it's going to take me a little while to do it. While I'm doing this, if you're still watching, then you must like this video, so please click that like button. It really does help the channel and help this video to get more popular and to let other people see it. Thanks. And now we're coming into these bits here, so we need to kind of, these need to be a bit more of an angle coming out like that, and then they will sort of come out there. So this is, it's not actually that difficult a drawing, but there's just an awful lot of it, and so this is really an exercise in resilience, and just keep going and don't stop. And I know when I do drawing sessions with people, they go, oh, you know, I made a mistake, or it looks terrible, something or other, and I said just keep going. And there's an extraordinary thing about drawing is that And I'm just going to put this sort of extra shading around this kind of panel at the back, just to make it stand out a bit more. So yeah, the extraordinary thing about drawing is that, you know, quite often it just looks terrible until you put the last pencil stroke in, or the last ink pen stroke, and it just kind of pulls it all together, and you go, ah. And so a lot of the thing about drawing is just keep going and don't stop. Keep going until you get to the end, and then it will kind of reveal itself to you. And I think you can probably spend all day adding in these extra little bits, just kind of filling in those spaces. Like there's something there that needs, maybe it needed another eye there, I don't know, but I'll fill that in with more kind of feather marks. And I think that I'm going to call that it. So in the meantime, keep drawing, practice, 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 make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you next time. You take care now, bye bye.